Today we will discuss about multiple allele. As we know that alleles are the alternative form of genes. According to the Mendel, there are two alternative forms of most of the gene. One is dominant allele and another one is recessive allele. If in an individual both dominant allele or both recessive alleles are present, then this condition is called as homozygous condition. But if one allele is dominant and one allele is recessive, then this condition is called as heterozygous condition. But there are some genes they have more than two allele, and this condition is called as multiple allele. So let's see the definition of multiple allele. Multiple alleles are defined as a set of 3, 4 or more allelomorphic genes or alleles which are arise as a result of mutation of normal gene and occupy the same locus in a homologous chromosome. So according to the definition, multiple alleles are produced due to the mutation takes place in a normal gene, which is also called as wild type genes, and due to the mutation in the normal genes the different form are of alleles are produced. That different form of alleles is called as multiple alleles, and they are present on the same locus in homologous chromosome. Now next we will discuss about the some important features of multiple allele. The first is multiple allele always belong to the same locus, and one allele is present at a locus at a time in a chromosome. So, on a homologous chromosome, they are always present on the same locus, and though they have more than two alleles, but at a time, on only single allele is present in a chromosome. Now, next important feature is that they always control the same characters of an individual. Wild type allele is always dominant over the other alleles, as we know that other alleles or mutant alleles are formed due to the mutation in the wild type. So this wild type allele is always dominant over the other mutant allele, and there is a no crossing over it takes place in a multiple allele. The next feature is that in a series of multiple allele, wild type is always dominant over the other allele. When two mutant types are crossed, then wild type cannot be recovered. If we cross two mutant allele, then it always produces the mutant phenotype. So these are some important features of multiple allele. There are certain example of multiple allele. For example, eye color in Drosophila, ABO blood group system in man. So this all about the multiple allele. Thank you.